Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello, Rocket League enthusiasts. In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Boost on Xbox. Alpha Boost, officially known as Gold Rush, is a highly coveted and rare Rocket League item. It was exclusively awarded to players who participated in the game's alpha testing phase back in 2015. Its unique golden flame and historical significance make it a true symbol of prestige among players, making it incredibly desirable. With recent changes in Rocket League, the traditional player-to-player trading system was removed in December 2023. This means you can no longer simply trade for Alpha Boost with other players in the game. The only remaining method to acquire this exclusive item is by purchasing an entire account that already possesses the Alpha Boost. This involves finding a seller who is willing to transfer ownership of their account to you. Due to its extreme rarity and limited availability, Alpha Boost commands an incredibly high value in the Rocket League community. Its price typically ranges between 800,000 and 1 million in-game credits. To put that into perspective, this can equate to approximately 4,000 to 5,000 US dollars. This makes it one of the most expensive and exclusive cosmetic items in the entire game. It's crucial to understand that purchasing game accounts carries significant risks, including the possibility of scams or account recovery issues. Always use reputable platforms and exercise extreme caution when considering such a high-value transaction. As a safer and more accessible alternative, many players opt for other in-game boosts that offer a similar golden visual effect, allowing you to achieve a comparable look without the associated risks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.